The countdown has officially begun, and it all starts with Qualcomm's latest technological beast, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This chip isn't just fast, it's redefining what fast means in the Android world. Now that it's starting to appear in next-gen smartphones across the globe, one question has every Samsung fan on the edge of their seat. What's next for the Galaxy S series? And the answer might just be everything. Because the Samsung Galaxy S26 lineup is shaping up to be one of the most ambitious, powerful, and talked about releases in Samsung's entire history. If you thought the Galaxy S25 Ultra was a powerhouse, just wait, you haven't seen anything yet. Should you wait for the Galaxy S26 or buy the S25 now? As we enter the 2025 holiday season, deals are everywhere, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra still stands tall as one of the best Android phones you can buy. But there's a twist. The Galaxy S26 is coming fast, and early leaks suggest it could deliver one of the biggest year-over-year jumps we've seen in years. So, should you wait or buy now? Let's break down everything that's been leaked, teased, or hinted at, from chipset breakthroughs and design changes to camera evolution, AI integration, and Samsung's long-overdue DeX overhaul. Galaxy S26, the power behind the performance. At the heart of the Galaxy S26 lies a major leap in silicon technology. Depending on your region, you'll either get the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or Samsung's next-gen Exynos 2600, both built on cutting-edge 2-nanometer architecture. That's not just a buzzword, it means faster speeds, cooler performance, and insanely better battery efficiency. Early benchmarks are already creating shockwaves. Exynos 2600 scores, single-core 3455, multi-core 11621. Compare that to its rivals, Snapdragon 8, Elite Gen 5, 2865, 9487. Apple A19 Pro, 3753, 9702. That's right, Samsung's own chip is now trading blows with Apple's most powerful silicon. For years, Exynos lagged behind. But this time, Samsung's bringing the fight head-on. And here's the best part. Rumors suggest both chips will integrate deeper AI acceleration for on-device generative AI, improving camera enhancements, real-time translations, and even photo editing without internet connectivity. This isn't just a speed boost. It's a new era of AI-driven power. The return of the Galaxy Edge, a fourth model. Joins the lineup, remember the Galaxy Edge? That iconic design that redefined the smartphone curve? Well, it might just be making a grand return, but not how you think. Early reports claimed the S26 Edge would replace the Plus model. But the latest insider leaks suggest Samsung might actually add it as a fourth phone in the series, giving fans more options than ever before. Galaxy S26, the standard flagship. Galaxy S26 Plus, larger screen, better battery. Galaxy S26 Ultra, the ultimate all-in-one device. Galaxy S26 Edge, a slimmer, curved screen variant. If this pans out, the Edge could return as a sleek, lightweight design for users who miss that futuristic, wraparound look, while the Plus stays the battery king of the lineup. Camera upgrades, familiar setup, bigger potential now, onto what most people care about, the cameras. While the base Galaxy S26 may retain a similar setup to the S25, the S26 Ultra is expected to take things to an entirely new level. Leaks suggest a custom Sony 200MP main sensor with improved light intake and sharper dynamic range, powered by AI scene optimization and Samsung's in-house UltraFusion image engine. Sadly, the fan-favorite 10x optical zoom isn't making a comeback, at least not yet. Samsung's sticking with 3x and 5x telephoto lenses, but improving image clarity through advanced, AI-based sensor cropping, meaning you'll still get near 10x quality with less hardware complexity. If Samsung adds Google-style ProRes zoom or hybrid AI fusion, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could easily dominate the photography game once again. Expect upgraded night mode, HDR video recording, and cinematic stabilization, perfect for vloggers, travelers, and content creators alike. Design refresh, small tweaks. Big feel, let's be honest. The S24 and S25 Ultra looked almost identical. But 2026 could finally bring a breath of fresh air. According to CAD leaks and insider renders, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature slightly curved edges, rounder corners, and a thinner bezel design, all giving it a more elegant, modern profile. We're also hearing whispers of new color finishes, including titanium blue and sandstone silver, both designed to complement Samsung's eco-friendly build using recycled titanium frames. While not a radical redesign, these small changes could make a big difference in hand feel and premium aesthetics, something Apple nailed with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and Samsung now seems ready to match. Samsung DeX, a true desktop experience on your phone. Now let's talk about DeX, Samsung's underrated gem. For years, it's been a great idea that never fully evolved. But with Android 16's new desktop mode, co-developed with Google, things are about to get serious. Expect smoother animations, better app scaling, 4-window multitasking, and even multi-user logins, so one phone could act as a shared mini PC for work or home use. Imagine plugging your Galaxy S26 Ultra into a monitor and instantly having a desktop-class workspace. No lag, no limits. It's productivity reimagined, and if Samsung nails this, it could finally bridge the gap between phone and laptop. Pricing, release date, and a possible launch. Delay: when will it launch? That's where things get interesting. Traditionally, Samsung hosts its first Unpacked event every January, but recent leaks suggest a possible March 2026 reveal. Due to two major reasons, Samsung may be introducing the Galaxy G Fold Trifold, and the company wants to fine-tune its AI integration before launch. As for pricing, expect a minor increase of around $100 on the Ultra model, especially after Apple's price hike with the iPhone 17 Pro. That would put the Galaxy S26 Ultra around $1,399, while the base S26 should remain close to $899 if you can't wait. Though, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is still an incredible buy during Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals, offering high-end AI features, strong cameras, and years of software updates ahead. Software and longevity. Samsung's secret weapon. Samsung isn't just focusing on hardware this time. The Galaxy S26 series will be deeply integrated with Samsung AI and Google Gemini Nano, offering smarter photo editing, real-time object removal, and enhanced translation tools. You'll be able to summarize calls, rewrite messages, and even create AI wallpapers that adapt to your day. And with Samsung promising 7 years of OS and security updates, this could easily be one of the longest-lasting flagships in Android history. Final verdict: the Galaxy S26 revolution. So should you wait or buy now? If you want the best today, the S25 Ultra is still unbeatable. But if you want the future, the next step in mobile evolution, the Galaxy S26 Ultra looks worth the wait. With its 2nm processor, massive AI boost, 200MP Sony camera, and potential edge comeback, Samsung might just reclaim the Android throne in 2026. The Galaxy S26 isn't just another phone, it's the start of a new chapter for Samsung, where performance meets intelligence and power meets design.